What's going on YouTube? This is BX Bomber 718 back at you with another video unboxing, and today I have the ROG Strix Go 2.4 and the ROG Strix Carry. Okay, one is a wireless headset, gaming headset, and other is a wireless gaming mouse. All right, so I got both of these peripherals to go with the new Asus ROG or Asus ROG Flow X13 2022 edition that I just recently purchased, and I got these two accessories to go with it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our unboxing. Let's start first with the box for the headset. All right, this is what it looks like. Okay, at the top it says it's a red dot winner 2022, high-res audio, Discord certified, TeamSpeak certified, and Nintendo Switch support. All right, USB-C 2.4 gigahertz wireless gaming headset. All right, this is what it looks like on the side. All right, the bottom has some stuff y'all don't need to see. Here has a bunch of legal stuff that's on it. Okay, let's move this down a little bit. All right, the top has your ROG logo and a little handle. Okay, and the back gives you some details on it. All right, game on every platform wirelessly, AI noise canceling dual microphone, extremely lightweight, true to life gaming audio, impressive long battery life and fast charging, and packaged contents. Okay, it also has the headphone and some specs for the headphones down here. All right, let me zoom in so you can see. Pause it if you need to, and you can go and check it out for yourself, okay? All right, so let's get around to opening this up. Okay, so we're gonna slide it just like this. Then we're greeted with this right here. Really, really neat. Welcome to the elite Republic of Gamers community. Your ROG Strix Go 2.4 headset was designed and tested by professional gamers to immerse you fully in every thrilling experience. Get ready to rise up to the next level of gaming mastery. Game on. All right, that's pretty neat. Okay, and then this part comes out. And then here we're greeted with an actual hard case, which I like. Let's take that out. And then we're given some manuals. Let's take a look. This one is a warranty card. Okay, this one here is the quick start guide. Okay. And then attached here is, oh, they really got it attached. All right, this is for the cover for the microphone. All right. So let's go ahead and move that aside. All right. And here's this nice hard case, this travel case. All right, let's unzip it, see what we got inside. Okay, and there we go. All right, here is the USB Type-C. All right, transmitter that plugs into a USB Type-C port. Okay, here is the headphones themselves. Let's take them out. All right, here it is. It's very lightweight. It's very, very lightweight. Here's some of the design, the ROG design that you see there. These nice little metal accents. All right, here's the ROG logo on this side. All right, this is what the cushions look inside. There's actually some silicone gel in there. But if you look inside, you'll see the ROG logo. All right. It's nice and lightweight, cushioning up top for your head. It expands this way, right here. All right, let's put that aside. Take these pieces off, and actually if you take these pieces off, you'll see it's like a core black color. It has the logo there, and it says ROG. Very neat. Okay, all right. And then let's see what else we got in here. So there is your boom mic that connects via 3.5mm port. And then there's a cable. This one is a 3.5 millimeter cable, so you can plug this directly to a 3.5 millimeter port. Okay. All right, and I'm assuming the other one here is a Type-C cable for charging. Yep, it's a Type-C to USB 3.0 for charging. All right, and probably also for connecting so that way you can do firmware updates on it through Armory Crate. All right. Okay, and I'm gonna close it up, and yeah, this is it. This is really, really neat. I really like this. I like the style. I like the fact that there's not a lot of RBG bling on it. It's very simple, looks very professional, looks great, and it feels great. All right, so I'll be able to report back on that soon on the quality. So far, so good. All right. All right, so let's move that out the way. All right. So right here, we have the ROG Strix Carry, which is a portable wireless gaming mouse. It has 2.4 gigahertz and Bluetooth, okay? This is what it looks like on the side. It has an iridescent little shine to it. Portable wireless gaming mouse. Here's the top with the handle and the ROG logo. On this side, it's just some information about what it is. All right, and then all the personals on the bottom, but on the back, it gives you some details, okay? Compact size for great portability with snuggle fit travel pouch, gaming grade PMW3330 optical sensor for flawless control, 300 plus hours of non-stop gaming on 2 AA batteries, and exclusive push fit switch socket design with 50 million click durability, all right? This has a 7,200 DPI optical sensor, 30 grams of acceleration, 150 IPS, and 1,000 hertz polling rate, okay? So this is really, really neat. It looks good. All right, so let's go ahead and cut open the plastic at the top. All right, and I got both these items from Amazon. I got this one for $59.99 from Amazon. The other one I got for $169.99 from Amazon. All right, there we go. All right, so let's go ahead and pull this out. See what we're working with. All right, so here we're greeted with the quick start guide and the warranty guide. Okay. And as you can see here at the bottom, it says open, accessory inside. Very, very neat. Let's lift that tab up. Let's pull. All right, here we are. We're greeted with the mouse in the case, which is cool. This is the case just like we had for the headset. It reminds me of the Logitech MX Anywhere mouses that I used to get in the past that came with the little pouch. I don't think they come with them anymore though. Here you have a nice little ROG logo there on the zipper, which is a neat little touch. Okay, unzipping it. Let's pull this out. Here we are. This mouse, wow. It's not made with a lot of premium materials, obviously. But I do like the styling. It's extremely light and very small, which is perfect because I wanted something that's very nimble, mobile, and powerful. That gives me up to 7,000 DPI or more, and this fits the bill. And it also works with Bluetooth as well, which is cool. All right, there's the feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the optical sensor that's in this nice little triangle. All right, and here's your switch right here, so you can switch it on, off, Bluetooth, 2.4 gigahertz, etc. Here's your 2 side buttons here. Here's your scroll wheel that also has a click. Here's your middle button for jumping through the DPI settings, and your right and left click. Right now, also, the mouse can be opened here from the bottom. I'm in, pull it up. And here you can toss in your 2 AA batteries. All right. Then it connects via magnets, as you can see in here. And you can just close it back up. and has the ROG logo here. Again, I like it because there's no bling. As you can see from the Asus ROG Flow X13 that I have, all it has is a white backlit keyboard. There's no RBG bling in it. It's very simple, which I like. It's understated, which is awesome, and these accessories go with it perfectly, okay? Because they're undercover gaming peripherals that nobody would know that's what it's for, right? It looks very professional too, but it looks like it does stand out, right, with its design. So I like that. All right. Okay, and I think that is it. Let's see. Oh, nope, we do have some more in here. All right, so if we open it up. All right, we are given, oh, look at that. That's pretty neat. I think it's some kind of sticker, magnet, I don't know, badge. I think it might be a case badge. That's awesome. All right. We got a little tool set right here. All right. And then they give us some Energizer Max batteries. Wow, very good quality, high quality batteries they decided to give, which I respect. All right, and that's it. No more goodies. But yeah, that was pretty surprising for $60. Was not expecting to get these little two extras here. But this is pretty neat. And also after putting in the batteries and the mouse, I want to show you guys that the receiver tucks right into the mouse. Here's the receiver right here. It tucks right into the mouse effortlessly. All right. All right, guys, so thank you for watching. Again, in closing, that was the ROG Strix Go 2.4, and that was a USB Type-C 2.4 gigahertz wireless gaming headset, and the ROG Strix Carry, a portable wireless gaming mouse with 7,200 DPI, and I purchased these to go with my Asus ROG Flow X13. All right, thank you guys for watching. See you next video. Peace.